Hello, welcome back to another day of Advent, and we are on day number 10, which is this one. This is a squishy one, and let's see what's inside here. Aha! So of course, if you know me and my work, and you know I love pom-poms, and I couldn't resist putting some pom-pom trim in there. Especially with the winter theme, you know, it's perfect. So yay, let's grab our journal and work with this today. Okay, so I have found this lovely little robin that I fussy cut from a book, which he sits beautifully there, and I got a page from an old dictionary with snow as one of the words. So I'm going to start with just doing some collage with the snowy words. Okay, my glue stick. So you should get little snippets of the word snow in the background. Is the idea. Where do I want this? I think I'm going to keep this lovely dark stain here, though. So here we have our words down. Let's grab my gesso and put some of that down on top. I'm going to do sort of gesso in between the gaps, and then just wet my brush down and do a thinner layer over the top of the words. Like that. Okay, let's give that a dry. All right, I'm going to grab a pencil and I'm going to do a little bit of spill writing now about today, what's going on today. For number 10, it can be anything. I'm just going to really not think about it too much. Okay, quickly, that's all I need. Now with the robin going here, I already knew straight away when I chopped him out that he was going to sit there. I want to bring a few of these colours from the robin over into the rest of the page. I've got this woodland set of watercolours, and I'm going to use, there's this foxberry colour, which brings a little bit of that reddish colour in, and we've got cavern, and some brown as well. You want to keep this really loose. let's get some water and give it a little spritz so that it moves about a little bit on its own. That's it, I quite like that. Getting some drips going over to that page. Lovely. And I'm going to give that a dry. I've grabbed a stencil. This one's from Unwow Studio, one of Dee Dee's again. And I've got some distress ink here in Vintage Photo. I'm just going to use to get some little marks onto the page. There we go. And then we've got our little robin here and our pom-pom trim. I was thinking along the bottom edge here, maybe. Let's see. Or do we want it on this edge? I'm not quite sure. Let's stick the robin down anyway. I just need to position him so you can still see the word snow. There we go. And then, where shall I put it? I wish that you could tell me. There? Or there? I'm now leaning towards the edge here, I think. Put some there. Is it too much to put it in both places? I think so. Let's just go with it on the edge. Maybe I'll put it on both edges here. I just want to use my pom pom. Both edges. Let's go for it. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do with that one. So that's day number 10 done. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you tomorrow.